One of the mounting tabs on this 2016 Toyota Camry has been damaged. The plastic is very thin on this tab, and it may appear to be unrepairable. However, repairing this type of tab is easy with one of Polyvance's nitrogen plastic welders. This video will walk you through the repair process. Because this tab is so thin, you will need to adjust the welder to prevent distorting and damaging the plastic around the tab. Lower the flow to around 10 liters per minute and adjust the heat setting to about 64. First, clean the plastic with plastic cleaner to get rid of any dirt or grime. Next, make a deep V-groove, being careful not to go all the way through the tab. Remove the remaining plastic debris with a utility knife. Apply a long piece of aluminum tape on the back side of the tab, making sure the tape extends about 2 inches on both sides of the tab. This keeps the tab bar aligned during the welding process. Next, make 2 or 3 weld passes to build the tab up just a little higher than it needs to be. Use the airless welder to shape the tab. After the weld cools back to room temperature, carefully remove the aluminum tape. You don't want to stress or bend the tab bar. Working a little at a time, use the airless welder, utility knife, and sandpaper to do any final shaping. You may have to do this a few times to restore the tab back to its original size. These small tabs don't break often, but when they do, they can easily be repaired thanks to the versatility of Polyvance's nitrogen plastic welders. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this repair, and check out our other videos for more plastic repair tutorials.